Hello everyone, welcome to Framework Educational Hub. Myself Aishwarya Saxena, and today in the file handling series I am just going to start with the binary files. Now when we are talking about binary files, you know that what is binary. Binary is 0 and 1. Bi means 2. Binary numbers are 0 and 1. And whenever we are talking about binary files, that means we are talking about the machine level code, the machine language code. So how to handle those kind of code in our programming and how to handle that kind of files in our programming. So how to handle those files by using Python code. Now there are multiple methods to do that. So first of all I am going to start with the pickle module. So pickle is basically an inbuilt module and we do not have to install it. So suppose I have imported this pickle module. This is used to work with the binary files because there are two functions. Let me just introduce those functions to you. So there are two important functions. One is dump and another one is load. So the dump function is basically used to write into the file and the load function is basically used to read from the file. So these are the two different concepts and they are covered into the pickle module. So when we are working with the binary files, at that time if we are willing to write into the file, we have to use this dump method. This is a function actually which is available in this pickle module. And load is again a function which is used to read the data from the file. So these two functions we are going to deal with today. So first of all, I have just imported the pickle module and I am just creating a write function. It's a user defined function. It's not a predefined function. Here I am taking f equals to open and let's say I am creating a binary file or let's say binary write dot dat. So dat is a data file or binary file extension. You can see in my folder, this is our folder in which I have created this Pro 11. There is no binary file. These are the Python codes .py files and this is .txt file. So in this particular folder, when I will run this code, so the file will be created in this particular folder and this will be with the name binary write .dat, that is our extension. Now when we are working with the binary files, so we have to use wb to write into the binary file. So wb is used to write into the binary file. Here I am taking L, it's just a variable, and now when we have to write into the binary file, we can just take the data into the list format. Basically when we are talking about the dump function or the load function, there are two important concepts which are actually executing here. So there is a concept of pickling and unpickling, and these are the two different concepts which are getting used here. So this is the process. So pickling is it refers to the process of converting the structure such as list or dictionary into the byte stream before writing it into the file. So if we are having some structure like list or dictionary, so it will be converting it into the byte stream, that is into the binary values. So our text value, our list values or dictionary values, it will be converting into the binary code. And again, unpickling refers to the process of converting the byte stream back to the original structure. So these are the two different concepts. Let me just make a note here for you. So this is the definition, you can say. This is the concept of pickling and unpickling. Here it is. So pickling refers to the process of converting the structure such as list or dictionary to a byte stream before writing to a file, and unpickling is the reverse thing. So it is basically it refers to the process of converting the byte stream back to the original structure. So these are the four things which are basically working. Like these are the functions which we will be using for pickling and unpickling. So when we are doing pickling, so basically dump is getting used. Actually, when we are writing into the file, so this pickling is going on. And when we are loading the data, so if we are reading from the file, so again it has to come into our normal original structure. So unpickling will be going there. So I hope this much is clear. Let's go towards the program. So now you know why we are using this, because we have to use the structure here. So here I am taking some subjects, let's say computer science, maths, Hindi, English. Okay, so 4 subjects I have taken right now. And then what I am doing, so pickle, that is our module dot dump, because I have to write this into our file. So we have to use this dump, and then L and F. So basically L is the source from where we are popping the data, we are using the data, this is L, and F is basically the destination where the data is going to be. Then F dot close, as we always have to close the file whenever we are opening it. So here on the line number 3 we have opened this file, so we have to close it. Now it will work only when we have called this function, because we have created a function. So write function I have called, and then print data. Let's write something, data written successfully in the file. Okay, let's now we can run this. So let's run it and try that it's working or not. So let's run this. So it's saying data written, and here you can see this file is here, binary-write.dat. So this file is now created. Let's double click on it, and when I will be double clicking on it, so basically here it will be asking that how it has to be opened. So let's try this text. So here you can see we are unable to read it. It is not coming in the human readable format. And the reason behind that is only that it is the binary file. So this binary write, that is of DAT format, we cannot read it. So how we will be able to read it? That I will be telling in the next video. So the write, like we have seen that how to write the data into the file and how to read it, we will be continuing in the next lecture. So stay tuned, don't forget to subscribe the channel, and we will be reading the data into the next video. See you there.